Hey guys, what's good? My name is Stephanie. Welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be all about this look right here I created. It's like a smoky cut crease using the Melt Cosmetics Gemini palette. Oh, upside down, girl, upside down. It's crusty. Yes, I know. Don't judge me. And yes, oh yeah, I got bangs and my hair's purple now. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. As always, I already started with my brows. I used Benefit Cut Brow. I think this was called. Yeah, Cut Brow. It's the little like pomade situation. And number 4, I used this baby. And then I went ahead and primed my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape like always. I just apply it and blend it out with a beauty blender. And let's get started. I don't know what I'm doing per usual. I just washed my brushes. Aren't you proud of me? I'm proud of me. Dude, I'm so sorry about this crazy hair that you guys are gonna have to experience. Anyways, yes, so I'm gonna take a Morphe M441 and I think I'm gonna just start going in. I'm gonna take Lorelei. Oh, I love that name. Doesn't it remind you of Gilmore Girls? Reminds me of Gilmore Girls. So I'm just gonna tap this in to my crease. Alright, so that's what I have so far. I just patted it on and then blended it out as I was going, and that was just using the Lorelei color. So now I'm gonna take Fire OG. I'm gonna make it like greeny. Yeah, let's take Fire OG onto that pointed brush. Put it right here. So I'm going to actually stick to this same brush, and I'm going to take Leo, and it's going to start kind of just pressing this in the outer portions right here. I'm gonna go ahead and try to take a black shadow on this and put that in the outer corners and see what it does. So I'm just patting, but at the same time kind of blending, if that makes sense. I'm going to use the pointed brush we've been using and just kind of start diffusing the edges right here. I'm actually going to take a little bit of Lorelei on that brush to start meshing these two together. Actually, I'm going to take Fire OG as well. You know what? I'm not going to cut the crease because I don't really want to go for that super harsh cut crease. So I'm going to just take my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to put it in the center. And to do that, I'm going to take my Suavecita S204 brush. It's just pretty much kind of like a little concealer brush. And I'm going to take the concealer and just like plop it in the center. Like I said, I don't want this to be like a harsh cut crease. Do I? Do I want it to be? Nah. Actually, yes, I do. I do want this to be a harsh cut crease. I'm going to take my little handy dandy detail brush and just fully saturate that brush and start building the shape. looks so different and it's bugging me, but I'm over it. So I'm gonna actually take the black, which is called Bonnie, which I never even said, I just realized. And I'm gonna start blending this in. So that same brush actually that I used the concealer for, I'm gonna pat it on the outer part. Now I'm gonna take the color Gemini, same brush, and I'm gonna start using this, start placing this all over. Actually taking goals kind of on top of that other color because I really liked how that looked. So I really like doing this step at the end. I'm taking a little angled brush, and this is the Suavecita S205. I'm just kind of, so I can't really talk doing this. I'm kind of just going over where the cut crease is and enhancing it. That's all it really is. And now just take a pointed brush and use like a color that's gonna blend this out. In this case, I'm gonna take Lorelei, and I'm gonna take it at an upwards angle like this. So this is what I have so far. Honestly, like, I'm just really hungry right now. I don't know, I feel like everything will change once I have everything else on. So I'm gonna actually do my eyeliner off camera. I'm just probably gonna end up doing a wing. I'll let you guys know, I don't know yet. So I'll probably do a wing and I'll pop on lashes and I'll be back and let you know what I used. Okay, so I did a lot off camera actually. I went ahead and did put on my lashes. I did my foundation, complexion obviously. So I'm gonna go ahead and really quickly run down what I used. For my lashes, I used the lashes in Sienna by J Lash. I just bought these at like a little local makeup shop and I absolutely love them. Like, they reminded me a lot of Huda Beauty's Scarlet lashes, which used to be my favorite like back in the day, and these were only 10 bucks. So yeah, these are really, really cute. I really like these. With these kind of lashes, like, you don't even need eyeliner, you know what I mean, because they're so like elongating on their own. I used the Anastasia Luminous foundation, and I know I did a review on it, or I should say like a first impressions on it, and I said I probably wouldn't repurchase it again, and I don't know, I'm slowly changing my mind. I love how this makes my skin look. Like, it feels so lightweight, and I put so much because I like a full coverage. So I put a crap ton of foundation on and it feels so freaking lightweight. The only thing I will say is that like the wear of it, it's not a long wearing foundation. That's just like the downfall of this. But other than that, like, I love how it makes my skin look so much. Anyways, what else did I use? What else did I use? My highlight was an Anastasia. This thing is old. Oh my god, do you guys see how old that is? Yeah, I just used the little highlight palette for my highlights. And then my blush, same thing, super old. It's the Milani Berry Amore 03. This thing is old, but it still works like a charm. So yeah, I just wanted something more earthy since I feel like this look is a lot more earthy. And that's pretty much it. Let's just go ahead and finish the bottom lash line, you know. So I'm gonna take same brushes kind of as I was before, just kind of alternate through them, and I'm gonna take the same shades as up top as well. So it's nothing crazy, it's nothing different, you know. And a little trick I like to do, it's not really a trick, it's just I guess like a little technique I prefer to do. Since my eyes are smaller and I'm trying to open them up, smoky eyes don't help opening up an eye. That's just straight facts. So instead of like smudging it straight into my lash line, see how I'm kind of leaving this little area right here? I'm leaving that open for some highlight in a bit, because that's gonna help open up the eye just a tiny bit with a smoky eye. So I'm actually gonna take my highlight, like my skin highlight, to highlight my inner corner, because I feel like this shade is just like a little too deep for what I want. So yes. And now I'm just gonna put mascara on my lower lash line, but other than that, that's it. If I had a brown liner, I don't know why I still don't have like a rich brown eyeliner. That's like something I'm missing for sure from my collection, but I would for sure run that throughout the waterline. That would, I feel like, make it look smoky, but not like super harsh smoky, you know what I mean? I think that would look super pretty, especially if you have hazel eyes, girl. You would look bomb. So yeah, I'm gonna do some lower lash line, and then I'm gonna figure out what lip I want. I'm gonna figure out what lip I want, and then I'll be back. Also, I'm gonna do something about this hair because it's just not giving it to me right now. So yeah, I used on my lips a whole bunch of different stuff, I will be honest. So first I put on my Suavecita lip grip, which is like a liquid matte lipstick in Amulet. I put that on and I was like, too dark, too like, when I have purple hair, it gets like kind of purple toned on my lips. So I was like, not really the look I was gonna go for. So then I like started wiping it off in the center with the makeup wipe, and then I was like, ooh, I like how it looks as like an outer liner, you know what I mean? So then I went in with the Suavecita lipstick in Dusk, which is just a like warm tone lipstick. That's probably a better way. Yeah, like a warm tone lipstick, and I applied that everywhere, and then I was like, I like it. I like where this is going. Still a little too dark for what's going on up here, so then I actually just blended in some foundation into it, and this is the lip concoction eye whipped up right now. That's the finished look using the Melt Gemini palette. If you guys don't have this palette, you guys need to go get it. I know it's been around for a while now, but it's literally such a beautiful palette and I'm obsessed. And this was my little creation of a smoky eye for fall time. But yeah, let me give you kind of like a close-up of that situation so you guys can see. Okay guys, so that is it. That's all I have for today. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see next, please. It helps to know what you guys want to see from me. I don't want to just be uploading videos that like nobody cares for, even though I enjoy making them, you know what I mean? Like I just actually want you guys to fix with what I got, you know? So yes, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the little bell so you know when I upload. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.